Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I have the Ipsy Glambag Plus. I haven't received my regular glam bag yet, but this is the Glambag Plus. Ipsy is a beauty subscription that comes monthly. You can choose either the Ipsy Glambag, which is $10 per month, or the Ipsy Glambag Plus, which is $25 per month, or you can receive both. And the only difference is with the Glam Bag, you generally get 5 sample sizes, and with the Glam Bag Plus, you generally get 5 full-size products. So I received both. Whether you prefer the $10 price frame or the $25 price frame, I think they do a great job. So let's get in here and see what I've got for my May Glam Bag Plus. If you have the Ipsy app, whether you do the Glam Bag Plus or the regular Glam Bag, they come on and let you know on May 2nd that you can do add-ons. And when they do that, they also show you what you're going to receive in your box for the month so that you don't purchase the same things that you're already getting. The good side for me is I forget. So this is the Glam Bag Plus, and it says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. And that's my box. So right on top we should have a paper. Yay, I got it this month. I did not receive it last month. We have a pamphlet that tells us everything that's in my box and explains a little bit about it and gives us the prices. And let's get into it and see what I've got here. The very first product that I see is Il Maquillage. Let me get my glasses here. It is the Icon High Volume and Intense Curl Mascara. It is 8 ml and it is made in Italy. It is its little box, and it's Icon Black. I rarely ever wear mascaras in anything but black. I know they make them in other colors, and I kind of wish I'd go out there and try some fancy colors, but I never do. Okay, let's see what the brush looks like. It's just a nice old-fashioned kind of football-shaped brush, where it's fatter in the middle and gets smaller on the edges. I like that. I feel like I have more control with that. And it looks like it's the little silicone bristles as opposed to brushy bristles. Let's see what they tell us about it in the book. Okay, they say it has a $25 value. Ta-da! When you can't be bothered to fumble with falsies, reach for a mascara that plumps up your natural lashes minus the messy glue. The football-shaped silicone brush grips and coats even the tiniest of lashes, lifting, curling, and lengthening all at once. Well, I love mascara. I want to be slightly annoyed that we get so much mascara, but I can't. As long as we continue to receive different things, which I seem to be not getting many mascara repeats, I love it because I like to try them all. Next I have, it's a 2-pack. I guess you're supposed to get 2. Oh yeah. This is going to be a tough sell. Illamasqua Coloring Pencil Lip Crayon. And as you can see, it's 2 that they've put together. And that's what the front of it looks like. And my 2 colors are Lust and Media. And while I open it, let's see what this says about it. It says that it is a value $21. Oh, it opens very easily. Kudos to them. This says, as I open the boxes, because there's nothing worse than lipstick that feathers, bleeds, and smudges, it's time to incorporate a lip pencil into your routine. Illamasqua's super pigmented lip pencil shades Lust, a coral pink, and Medium, a cranberry red, lock your lipstick in place all day and add tons of dimension. Well, that is the good news. So this is the Media, which they call the is that true? Yes, this is the Media, which they called a cranberry red. We'll put it closest to my thumb. It's a very, very wearable red though. And the other one is called Lust, and they said it was a, I gotta think, did I mess these up? No, I didn't mess these up. I'm here to tell you, I think I might, no, I didn't mess up the colors. Well, first off, neither one of them is a coral pink, but this one, which I just put on, is Lust, which they are calling the coral pink, and it is actually the darker of the 2 colors. It is this one. That is clearly, I don't know if you can tell, the cranberry one. The other one, this one, is Media, and it is closer to the coral pink. It is not a coral pink, but it is definitely closer. So either they've misprinted them or misprinted the book. You can even tell by this one and this one. This is the one that they're calling the cranberry. So I'd say they just switched them. It's no biggie, just pointing it out. I'll always know what the color is by the end of the box, so no problem at all. What have we got next? Next I have Eau Thermale Avene. Wow, it's a lot of French. Soothing Moisture Mask. Oh, this is exciting because I've started doing my face mask Fridays. So if we like this one, we can do it next. I actually thought about doing a sheet mask though. This is the box. And this is the bottle, which is 1.69 fluid ounces. And let's see what this says. This says, and it's a $26 value, that your daily moisturizer is good, but incorporating a super hydrating mask into your skincare routine will moisturize your skin the way a face cream can't. This thick and creamy Eau Thermale Avene mask is powered by spring water, which penetrates deep into the skin to soothe, soften, and calm stressed out complexions. It's so hydrating it even provides an instant relief for burns, sunburns, and day-to-day redness. Plus, it's gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. Well, you guys know I get hyper excited when they say things are gentle enough for sensitive skin, and that it calms redness. That is very exciting. Let's get in here because we're doing this soon on Face Mask Friday. I'm going to put it over those lines and see if it removes makeup. Not that that's its job, but let's see. Nope. Oh, it smells lovely. Just kind of like posh skincare smell. Not floral, just very clean and posh smelling. It's fantastic. I'd show it to you, but it's just a cream. Oop, I'll tell you what. One wipe with the Burt's Bees and that lip is gone. I will tell you more about this when we use it on Face Mask Friday. I can't wait. Okay, next I have the Face Hero, a powerful and protective face oil. Hear that? It's Face Hero during doing push-ups inside the box. All in a day's work for this champ. Though, to be honest, Face Hero's real job is protecting your skin from dryness, the appearance of fine lines, dullness, irritation, and uneven skin tone. Wow, those all sound things like I could get behind. I like face oils too. I generally use them at night because I find it easier than putting them on and then putting makeup on top, because I think they tend to sometimes break down foundations. I'm not making a blanket statement. I know there are good ones, but as a rule, I prefer them at night. That's a pretty bottle. It's a nice coral glass bottle with the stopper. Let's get in here and see what she looks like. Ooh. She's a nice yellow. So it's a colored face oil. It's a nice yellow tone. All the more reason for me not to use it during the day. Oh, it feels very nice. Smells, it's really pretty. Maybe citrusy? I don't know. I don't know what it is. Let's read about it and then I can tell you. It smells nice though. And the back of my hand is shiny and moist. It says it has a $34 value. This multitasking, good-for-you cocktail of natural ingredients comes to the rescue by hydrating parched skin, brightening dull complexions, and soothing inflammation. It also helps combat fine lines, dark spots, and the early signs of aging. And no worries about residue. Here's looking at you, oily and combination complexions. Your skin will soak it up quickly. Massage 5 drops onto clean skin after your daily serum, but before your moisturizer. Or just mix a few drops into your moisturizer. Interesting. It does seem to be absorbing pretty quickly into the back of my hand, but it's definitely still there. Oh, see, can you see the shine on it? And I just personally, I don't care for that under my foundation. You do you. I wonder what the active ingredients are that do all of that, because you know I can be a baby about ingredients. Its base oil is almond oil. It's almond, jojoba, macadamia, Brazil nut, apricot kernel, evening primrose, buriti, rosehip, calendula extract, amica extract, kiwi fruit seed oil, vitamin E, sunflower oil, totterol, rosemary leaf extract, and natural fragrance of orange blossom and rose gardenia. I can use this. There is nothing in this that is a skin... Let me rewind that. There is nothing in this that is a known skin irritant to me. It doesn't mean it won't irritate my skin, but it means Nothing I know about. So exciting. I love it when I get random skincare that I can use. And last but not least, Wander Beauty Wanderous Seascape Eyeshadow Palette. That is the box. She's a very pretty box. I like a lot of the Wander products. We got a palette of theirs that has blushes in it, I think, that I enjoy. I use it periodically. It's a little warm for me. It was close enough that I didn't pass it along. I kept it, and I do use it periodically. Oh, she's pretty. She's really pretty. Champagne Harbor, Sea Salt, Golden Reef, Seafoam, Sand Dollar, Coastal. How pretty are those colors? This says that it has a $25 value and is a 6-pan eyeshadow palette that can transport you to the tropics for a lot less than a plane ticket. Loaded with a mix of foil, shimmery, satin, and matte finishes in shades of seafoam, deep blue, sandy brown, sea salt pink, and warm golds. These pigmented shadows are infused with skin-loving ingredients and can create endless looks on and off the beach. Well, that all sounds fabulous. Let's put our little fingers in here. I'm going to start with the top. Oh, they're really, I'm telling you what, I just put my hand in this one and it feels like a Natasha Denona. Don't send me hate mail. I'm just telling you, it's really, really moist with a finger swatch. Oh, the sea salt, little less moist, but still good. And the Golden Reef, also nice. So that's them on my fingers. And let's see how they swatch. Oh, that's pretty. I mean, we all know finger swatches aren't the same, but they're really pretty. Those are those three. So pretty. Let's do the other three. Let me clean my fingers off. And let's swatch the bottom three, which I believe contain the mattes. I can't tell the difference personally between a foil and a shimmer. These all look really shiny. They look like the two mattes, which one of them I'm not even convinced is a matte. This Seafoam, which is the one in the middle, has so much texture that it almost feels tacky, if that's a word. And then this Coastal, oh, she feels nice too. I think she might have a little fallout when you use her with a brush because I can get a little kick up with my finger, but her color, how often do you come across a true blue like that? She is pretty. All right, let's see how these three go. Put them right beside the other ones. Oh, that blue. Oh, that blue. Starts here. Hope you can see that. Oh. So it starts here with the matte brown, and then that shiny, tacky one that I was talking about, and then that blue. I can't help it. That blue. In person, she is gorgeous. It's not a matte, so I would say they refer to it as having shimmers, mattes, and foils, but I would say the only matte in this is this. I personally can't work with this alone. This is going to be something to complement other palettes because there's no base color, there's no transition color for me. This is too dark for a transition for me, but as far as adding sparkle to an eye look, this is going to be gorgeous. I mean, I'm going to keep saying it. That blue, she's gorgeous. See what I'm saying about Ipsy? Okay, so that is it for my Ipsy Glambag Plus box, and it was a good one. I am thrilled. This gorgeous shadow palette, I mean, she is beautiful. And this nice face oil, I can't wait to try this. Like I said, I'll probably try it at night, but still. The Il Makiage mascara and the 2 lip pencils, which I really should use. I feel like I could probably use the definition of a lip liner, but I don't do it, but I really wish I would. And both of these colors are really wearable, so I'm going to try and add that to my routine. And last but not least, I have the Eau Thermale Avène Soothing Moisture Mask. And I can't, from the smell of this, I can't wait to use this either. That is my box. What did you receive in your box? Have you gotten it yet? $25 for this. I mean, the eyeshadow palette, $25. So if you like the eyeshadow palette and it's something that you would purchase on your own, that makes everything else, the $34 oil, the $25 mascara, the $21 each lip pencils, and the thermal mask, which honestly I forget the price of. Would you like to know? I hate to not tell you, because what if you wanted to know? $26. It's fantastic. it's a great value. Ipsy does it again. Check. Good job, Ipsy. Golf clap. All right, guys, thank you so much for coming by. Let me know below, what do you think of this? Is that eyeshadow palette gorgeous or what? Is it my mood? Because I thought it was gorgeous. Please like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you'll know when I put up my next unboxing. And I can't wait to see you guys again. Bye!